Students, today's another new topic which is alternative to sentence reordering. The topic name is news headlines. What happens in news headlines? Four news headlines are given. I have written only two. Just we are starting with new topic. That's why. Four news lines are given. That's why I have written in capital letter. What happens? Four news lines in capital letter are given. We have to convert these headlines, four headlines, into a sentence or two sentence. Means we have to make a single or two sentences by using that headlines. What is the first one? 5 jawans killed by Maoists. Maoists मतलब माओवादी जिसे बोलते हैं माओवादी, बंगाल, बिहार, उड़ीसा, यहाँ पे जो टेररिस्ट होते हैं उनको माओवादी बोलते हैं, माओइस्ट। जैसे छत्तीसगढ़ या गढ़चिरौली साइड के जो होते हैं उनको नक्सलाइट बोलते हैं, जम्मू कश्मीर टेररिस्ट। वैसे बिहार, उड़ीसा, बंगाल इस साइड के जो टेररिस्ट होते हैं उनको माओइस्ट बोलते हैं। ठीक, सी हाउ वी कैन परफॉर्म द सेंटेंस। 5 jawans, we have to make sentence 5 jawans. See here, plural is jawans. That's why have been, 5 jawans have been killed. 5 jawans have been killed by Maoists. देखो मैंने जैसे का वैसा सेंटेंस तो पूरा डाल दिया। नियर कुछ डाल दीजिएगा, मैंने बोला बंगाल, बिहार बॉर्डर, ये सब कहां पे होता है? बॉर्डर पे, नियर बंगाल बिहार बॉर्डर। सी 5 jawans have been killed by Maoists near Bengal Bihar border. The first sentence is completed. What is second one? Quake in Japan. Quake means earthquake. Quake in Japan triggers tsunami fear. What happens by quake in Japan in tsunami fear? I have written the sentence properly, just checking. What happens? Quake in Japan. A powerful earthquake. A powerful earthquake. You can write whatever you have to write, but related to the news. A powerful earthquake in Japan triggers and indicates tsunami, you know tsunami fear. So the government alerted the people near seashore. सुनामी होगी अगर पावरफुल अर्थक्वेक आएगा, बड़ी बड़ी वेव्स उठेगी। सी हियर टू सेंटेंसेस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस 5 jawans killed by Maoists. How we have made that sentence? 5 jawans have been killed by Maoists near Bengal Bihar border. Quake in Japan triggers tsunami fear. A powerful earthquake in Japan triggers tsunami fear, so the government alerted the people near seashore. This was his news headline. We have converted that headline into two sentences. Next we are going again continue with two sentences.
चालू है।
See students, the third news headlines. 2 killed in blue line accidents. What is blue line? जैसे नागपुर में स्टार बस चलती है, बॉम्बे में बेस्ट की सर्विसेज चलती है, वैसे दिल्ली साइड वगैरह ब्लू लाइन चलती होगी। I don't know perfectly. That is not our topic. Still, I have just told you what about blue line. 2 killed in blue line accidents. Fourth one, Chennai region tops again in CBSE X. मतलब CBSE standard 10. How we can write the third sentence? 2 persons were killed. 2 persons were killed in blue line accident. Blue line accidents वन वॉज, थोड़ा सा डिस्क्राइब करना पड़ेगा ना जो दो गए. वन वॉज 18-year old boy and other was, एक 18 साल का बच्चा था. अदर वॉज अ साइकिलिस्ट, एक साइकिल वाला एक्सीडेंट कर चुका, ये होगा शिकार. टू पर्सन्स वर किल्ड इन ब्लू लाइन एक्सीडेंट्स. वन वॉज 18-year-old boy and other was a cyclist. Fourth sentence. Chennai region tops again in CBSE-X. Tops again means what? What does this word again indicates? The word again indicates means last year also they have topped. See, Chennai. You know what is Chennai? मद्रास जैसे बोलते हैं. Chennai region tops again this year, this session 2020 repeatedly in result of students of class CBSE X. इस साल भी कॉन्सिक्वेंटली रिपीटेडली बच्चों ने 2020 में भी टॉप किया. See, what we have seen students, news headlines is another also good way to express our views. What do you think? This question is in option with sentence reordering. Sometimes I have seen in format that it is for you, but we must have to learn all the things that how news headlines can be described. That's why we have taken this topic. Thank you students, thank you parents for watching our videos. Support us. Thank you students.